Imagine standing in front of a machine that doesn't just sit on your desk, but completely dominates your entire workspace. A monolithic, dark silver masterpiece that looks like a sculpture, but breathes like an industrial hurricane. For years, the creative and scientific elite lived by an absolute, unyielding law. If you want world-class, server-grade computing power, you must accept an ugly, massive tower bleeding heat and noise onto your floor, connected by a chaotic web of cables to a separate monitor. We accepted the clutter, the massive footprint, and the industrial aesthetic because we thought true power couldn't be tamed. Then, Apple shattered the rules of hardware engineering forever. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. What you are looking at is not a standard desktop computer, and it is certainly not a typical consumer product. This is a complete manifestation of raw, unadulterated performance captured inside a single, impossibly slim enclosure. This is the ultimate revival of the legendary Apple iMac Pro, and it has returned to completely assassinate the traditional workstation market. To truly comprehend why this dark monolith is causing absolute shockwaves throughout the upper echelons of the tech industry, you have to look past the striking space gray aluminum finish. You have to look past the flawless glass front panel and look directly into the psychological shift it represents. This machine was engineered for a very specific, uncompromising class of human beings. It was built for the high-end film editors who color-grade Hollywood features in uncompressed raw formats. It was built for the data scientists who train massive, localized neural networks with millions of parameters. It was built for the 3D architects who simulate entire living environments down to the microscopic behavior of light waves. For these professionals, time is not just money. Time is their life's blood. Every single second spent staring at a progress bar, every frame dropped during a playback sequence, and every system crash caused by memory saturation is a direct limitation on their human potential. The iMac Pro was built to eradicate those limitations forever. At the absolute center of this technological marvel sits an architecture that defies conventional desktop logic. By integrating a multi-core processor of terrifying proportions directly behind a display that is less than an inch thick at its edges, Apple had to completely reinvent the laws of thermodynamics. In a standard workstation, cooling massive computational engines requires massive physical space. Apple solved this crisis by engineering an advanced dual-blower thermal system that pulls massive volumes of air through the base of the machine, driving it directly across a high-capacity heatsink and exhausting it silently through the rear. The result is a cooling efficiency profile that allows the system to sustain absolute peak clock speeds for hours upon hours of heavy rendering without thermal throttling, and without ever making more than a faint, whisper-quiet murmur. The absolute silence of this machine under maximum load is genuinely eerie. It works like a factory, but sounds like a library. The true secret weapon that unlocks this desktop's devastating speed is the breathtaking implementation of its memory system. In a traditional high-end PC, the physical distance between the processor cores, the graphics engine, and the primary system memory creates a persistent, performance-choking bottleneck. Data must travel across long architectural pathways on a motherboard, losing precious nanoseconds with every single transaction. The iMac Pro eliminates this friction by utilizing an ultra-dense, unified memory infrastructure with massive bandwidth capabilities. Every single component of the system has instantaneous, direct access to the exact same pool of